Some sesame oil.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Angie's Table. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make chicken karaage. Saying it very Asian way, but I guess it's a Japanese dish, so it is very Asian. Basically, it's just deep fried chicken thighs and it's really good. It's not just deep fried because of the soy sauce and the slight Asian marinade that goes into it. It's really good. Grace and I actually went to eat some Japanese ramen with our friend Jordan that you guys have probably seen on our channel. We ordered this appetizer and it was so good. I forgot how good it was, so I decided to just make it at home and also teach you guys how to do it. I love the crispiness from the starch, the juiciness that comes from the chicken thighs, and it's just the perfect amount of marinade, and you dip it into that mayo with some salt and pepper. It's so good. And then you crunch on some of that cabbage. Wow, I'm just salivating already. Let's go and check out these ingredients. We will cut up our chicken thigh pieces. Make sure to get chicken thighs, not chicken breast. Let's remove the fatty parts. Luckily there weren't too many. And now we're gonna cut these into bite-sized pieces. I actually don't like mine too big. I don't like it when I have to take multiple bites out of it, like 4 to 5, so I'm gonna make mine on the smaller side. I like some of them uneven sizes. I really don't like working with chicken, but here we are today. Place it into a bowl. We'll set this aside and mince up our garlic. Add in the garlic. A little bit of ginger. Salt, pepper, some sesame oil, soy sauce, give this a mix. Now we're going to cover this up in some wrap and keep it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to let it marinate. The longer the better. I've seen people do it for 12 hours. We're just going to do it for about 30 minutes and work on our other prep for now. Let's slice up some cabbage. Do you guys know what it's time for? Today's word of the day is 운전, which means to drive. There's been a lot of weird drivers on the road, like breaking all the rules and laws and just kind of drive a little recklessly. Grace has been kind of releasing her road rage these days, even though she was trying to calm down because she's pregnant. It's really coming out these days. I hope you guys practice safe driving and no one gets tickets for any reason. Today's word of the day is 운전, which means to drive. Okay, 30 minutes is up. Let's open this up and we're gonna lightly dredge the chicken with some cornstarch. Oh, it smells so good. So we have cornstarch today. You can either use cornstarch or potato starch, and I've seen some recipes that use a mix of flour and either cornstarch or potato starch. There is a difference between them, but I've seen this Korean chef make it with just cornstarch, and I have that at home, so I decided that I can just go ahead and do that. But I do think that in Japan they mix a combination of flour and potato. Make sure every space is coated evenly. So in a small pot, I have some vegetable oil. Use any neutral oil you want. I know avocado has a very high smoking point, so avocado oil is a good oil, but it's very expensive. So I'm using vegetable oil, but corn oil will work as well. When the oil is hot enough, gently add each piece of chicken to fry for about 2 minutes or until the outside is slightly golden brown, and we'll take it out. We're gonna be double frying these, so have a cooling rack ready. We're gonna let the oil drip out of the chicken and cool, and then we'll double fry it for a very, very nice crunchy texture and golden color. We're going to be frying these in small batches because you don't want to overcrowd them. They'll start sticking to each other, and it'll be more evenly cooked if you fry them in smaller batches. And the second time around, we'll cook it for just about 1 minute. Let's plate some cabbage. Put a lemon. Some salt. Pepper. And we're gonna add a dollop of mayo. Always tastes better when you use Kewpie mayo for whatever dish you're making. If you guys have this, please use the Japanese Kewpie mayo. Wow. Now we'll plate it on this parchment to catch any more oil. All right, let's eat.
I think your face is too big.
Anyways.
I'm gonna try it with some cabbage. So good.
Oh, I forgot to do lemon. She's gonna make a sandwich.
I'm gonna make a karaage sandwich.
Love karaage.
You want bread and it? One slice?
Half a slice?
No.
I'm making a mess.
So good.
So good. It's better than the karaage that we ate.
Oh, 진짜? Yeah. I feel like I'm kind of picky with my karaage. It's juicy. It doesn't have like that gamey smell. It's crispy. It's light.
Very crispy. I think the seasoning is
On point.
perfect. Like to the point where you don't even have to dip it in the salt and pepper. I really hope you guys try this out because it's so tasty. I don't know if anyone would not like it. I mean, it's chicken thigh. Juiciest part of the chicken. That's fried. You have it with some Japanese mayo. Get some veggies in here. Freshness from the lemon. It's perfect. We'll see you guys on our next video.